Today we're going to be working on adding, so we're doing our test with adding two numbers together. Please write your name here on the name line, and then look up on the board and write down the date for today as well. For our first section, it says adding within 5. So for these numbers, you're going to look at the two numbers, add them together, and write the answer on the line. So the first one is 4 plus 0. Write your answer here. 2 plus 3. Write your answer here. 2 plus 1. Write your answer there. 0 plus 5. Write your answer here. 1 plus 4. Write your answer there. And 3 plus 1. Write your answer there. Remember, these lines off to the side are for the teachers, so you do not touch those. Going on to our next section, and remember, if you need more time to write down your answers, you may pause the video, or if you would like to hear me say something again, you may replay the video or rewind it. The next section says adding within 20. Remember, you can draw a picture to help you. You can use your fingers, you can use a hundreds chart, you can use counters, any of those things to help you add. The first one, we have 12 plus 2. Write your answer down. 6 plus 3. Write your answer down. 10 plus 4. Write your answer here. 18 plus 1. Write your answer there. 8 plus 5. Write your answer here. And 7 plus 9. Write your answer there. Again, you can pause or rewind if you need to hear it again. This line is for the teacher. Please do not write anything on that line. Moving on, our next section says rewrite the following addition sentence as a subtraction sentence. So the sentence that you're working with for addition is 10 plus 7 equals 17. That is a true addition sentence. What you're going to do on this line is you're going to reorder the numbers that are given so that your 10, your 7, and your 17, and you're going to write a subtraction sentence using those three numbers. Again, you're writing a subtraction sentence using the 10, the 7, and the 17. When you're done writing your subtraction sentence, go back and do the math to make sure that it makes sense and that your subtraction sentence matches what your addition sentence would be. So 10 plus 7 equals 17. Rework those numbers and make it say in a subtraction sentence using 10, 7, and 17. This line over here is for the teacher. And our final section, working with equal groups of numbers. I have a whole bunch of boxes. These are called an array, and these boxes have stars in them. Each line has the same amount of stars. Down here it says write this model as an addition sentence and solve. So what you're going to do is you're going to show me what addition sentence I would make using this array, and then actually solve that addition sentence. If you don't know what I'm talking about, you may skip this section. But if you are have been working with arrays this week, then you need to try to make an addition sentence using the array that you see and solve to give me the answer for this array. And the bottom line is for your teacher. When you're all finished with your test, make sure you've answered every line and you may turn it in.